Is Cardano heading to the moon? What's going on with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? The answers to this coming right up. Welcome back, Stagnation. Is your boy present?
Oh, your boy Double O.
Hey, Double O, how you feeling today, sir?
Feeling good.
Okay. You good, man? That doesn't sound healthy there. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Of course, we can see Cardano if we drop right in here. I'm just going to share my screen with y'all. What's happening to my screen share? All right, so Cardano currently trading at $1.52. And we can see over the past couple days, man, this has been looking like it's heading in the right direction, heading to the moon. We've crossed over that 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average. This is the price action that is. And we are just testing that 100-day moving average. Double up. What do you think?
Well, let's make it quick here. So we are currently at almost at the 1 Fibonacci. Actually, we've already tested it. We've already crossed the 0.786, and from our trading lessons, once it reaches that one, it could lose steam. And one of the confirmations that we'll probably lose in steam is that we're also looking at that RSI. Is it getting overbought? It's currently at 66. Is it going to lose steam? Also, we're looking at the TTM squeeze. It's squeezing out, but it's not squeezing out very strongly. And then we look a little bit farther back, and it looks like we're at the major resistance. So is it going to make it through? That's the
Absolutely. Point. You know, one of the things is, your RSI, is your relative strength index. Generally, it's considered overbought once you're crossing that 80 point mark. Is it 70? 70, 75, right?
80 is like you're overdoing it.
Well, yeah, 80 like way over there. So usually really it starts around like 70, 75. But, at the same time, I'll also point out that previously when Cardano ran up, right, we saw that RSI did make it up there to about 87-ish. So yeah. I'm not exactly counting out the possibilities of crossing over the 100-day moving average at this point. But we'll see. We're definitely noticing a positive trend with that one. So, yeah. And of course, once we cross over that 200-day moving average, and if the other moving averages cross above it, then yeah, I would say that's quite a run at that point.
Yes, sir.
Right. So moving on to some other coins, which, dude, I've been selling all of my SHIB, but Double O, you love SHIB, man. Tell us what's going on here.
Yo, the Shiba community is not playing. They are getting into the metaverse. They are getting into NFTs. So I still believe in Shiba Inu. I'm looking at the chats right now, and I have to say, it's built a new resistance level. It's currently sitting at the past resistance level from back in October of last year. Very interesting at this point. I think it's a pretty good support level. I bought them a lot much cheaper than this price, but I think I should probably buy more because I bought a lot more to around this price range. So I'm personally buying more. The price action is still below the 20, 50, and 100 day. But it's above the 200 moving average. So for me, I think it's a good discount price. The RSI is saying that it's oversold. So when something is oversold and it's currently around that $40, $30 range, it's a good time to get some discount for me. That the moving averages is also a good sign that it's still below. I'm not overpaying for it.
Absolutely. I mean, I agree with you. Looking at where the moving averages are, patterns tend to repeat themselves, right? So you have that big move to the upside, then the consolidation, and the longer the base on the consolidation, typically the bigger the move to the upside. So we've been seeing this thing. I mean, it's been trending downward. Don't get me wrong, but it seems to be holding that support point there, like you said. So if it does move up, it will move up. I'm not holding much Shiba. And of course, everything we discuss here is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors, but in good faith, I think that is
SHIB is not going to $1. By the way, SHIB is not going to $1. I just got to put it out there. You don't think it's going
to? Don't, hey man, stop trying to wreck the Shiba Inu's, the Shiba Army's feelings, man. They don't like to hear that, Anyway, moving on then. Dogecoin, Double O. This is it seems to be Mr. Elon's pump and dump coin.
Hey, did you read that article about somebody minting Ethereum in their Tesla? I do believe there's a future where when you drive your Tesla, you could be minting Dogecoins. And with all those satellite dishes out there that we have out there in space, those could be our Doge, well, our the world's
Mm,
nodes for the Dogecoin. That's the thought process. We're just trying to, believe in the future. But that said, though,
hey,
that little statement about you've been able to use Doge to buy Teslas,
right.
pumped that up pretty high. It went and tested that one Fibonacci level, and now it's
Yeah.
coming back down. It's already crossing below the 0.38. So if it crosses below that, expect to see it come back to like 13 cents. You probably
Mm,
want to get around that price, 13, between the current price and 30 cents. You should probably look to get more Doge, unless some new news comes out and pumps it back up. The RSI is
absolutely.
also facing back downwards. It didn't even reach overbought before it came back down. So hey, just
Yeah.
saying, yeah.
That's a tough one, man. I mean, what happened, man? Elon used to be so good at pumping this coin. These days, it just seems. I mean, that is a long time where it's been going sideways. Of course, since the previous Elon situation to
Yeah.
where it is now. But I do think it's interesting that that Elon is allowing for Doge to be taken as payment now. You know, it's obviously it's one of those things that I've not really been following up with in that way, but I guess it's cool for the technology.
In April, AMC is gonna start allowing you to use Doge to pay as well. And there's
Oh,
a rumor
really?
that Robinhood is gonna start allowing Doge on their platform. Oh no, Shiba on their
Sure,
platform in
man.
February. So we'll see some movement. Let's see what happens this year.
Hey, man, it's about catching the opportunities, man. At the end
Yeah.
of the day, you know what I mean. So I think
By the way, these are not our strong or my strong positions. It just happens to be one of those ones that I'm getting in and out of. The
absolutely,
strong, the strong technologies, the blockchains that are doing stuff, they're there as well. This is just one of
absolutely.
those ones that, yeah.
I agree. I agree. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us know, what are you buying these days, right? Are you picking up some SHIB? Have you been buying some ADA? Did you buy some more ADA while it was below that 200-day moving average? And where do you think is going next? That's all I have. Double O. Any final thoughts?
Hey, thanks for liking and subscribing. Please continue to like and subscribe. We really appreciate your time, and we're going to bring more of this to you guys. Thank you.
Absolutely. Until next time, brazen out.
Double O out.
Hey.